Hi friends, happy Monday. Welcome back to Math Today. Today for math, your checklist says that we are going to do work out of our workbook, our Envisions workbook, but that is not the case. We actually have a math activity sheet in our work packet for today that says Tasty Corn. So today for math, you will need your Tasty Corn activity sheet and a pencil. So go ahead and pause the video and grab the materials that you need. All right, friends, welcome back. Today for math, we're going to work on our learning target that says I can count, write, and compare numbers within 10. So we're going to do all three of those things. We're going to count the corn, we're going to write the number to match how many we counted, and then we're going to look at two groups of corn, and we're going to circle the group that is greater, X the group that is less, or circle them both if they are what? Equal, that's right. So let's take a look. So at the very, very top, we have two rows of corn. Rows are when they are sideways. So in our first row, we're going to count and mark out to see how many there are. Ready? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's say our 4 rhyme as we write our 4. Down and over and down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Notice you kind of have to write small in order to fit your number on the line. All right, now let's go down to our next group in the next row. Let's count and mark out. Ready? 1, 2. How many did we count? 2. So let's write a 2 on the line. First a candy cane, then a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. Now we're going to compare 4 and 2. When we have a 2 and a 4, there's different strategies that we can do to know how to compare which one's greater, less, or equal. We know on our number line that when we count 1, 2, 3, 4, we say 2 first before 4. We also can make dancing partners and see that in our group of 4, there are 2 extra dancing by themselves. So which number is greater? 4. So we're going to circle 4, which means that 2 is less. So we're going to mark an X on 2. So now let's compare starting with 4. 4 is greater than 2, and 2 is less than 4. Good job. Let's go down to the next row. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. We're going to write our 3 on the line. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. Now let's count our next group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down to a loop. A 6 makes a hoop. Now we're going to compare our 3 and our 6. Zippity quick, just by looking at our 2 rows of corn here, I see that the bottom row has some extras. It goes out further. So that should tell me that, ooh, that one has more. What's the same as more? Greater. So 6 is greater than 3. So we need to circle it, which means that 3 is less than 6, which means we need to exit. Good job. All right. I'm going to let you guys do your last 2 problems on your own. Make sure you're counting across and writing your number. Count across and write your number, and then compare. You're going to do that for your last 2, and then post your activity sheet to your teacher's Google Classroom. You can pause the video to go ahead and do that now, or you can continue practicing your number recognition with me and then rewind to go back and look at it. So really quick before we sign off, let's go over the names of our numbers. Ready? This is 7, 5, 4, 2, 1, 9, 6, 10, 3, 8. Very good job today, friends. Tomorrow for math, I will see you for your next lesson. And our next lesson also has an oopsie in it. So for math tomorrow, you will need to bring your whiteboard and marker. Great job today. I'll see you then.